Hey everyone, I am sitting in my living room and I'm filming this really quick because I hear this strange noise and I'm hoping I'm catching it every once in a while. And I'm not sure what it is, besides my voice is cracking, but it sounds like static electricity in the air. That was my dog shaking. We live on a busy street, so there's always cars going by. But just a couple seconds back there, I think that you might have heard it because it got quiet for at least a minute. Anyways, I just wanted to record it. And it's kind of strange to me because I've heard it twice now today and it'll go away. Like it sounds like it's slowly fading right now. It's hard to tell with that car, but yeah, definitely faded out. And it just keeps happening. It just sounds like really loud static electricity. Like, I don't know, like, I can't explain it any better than that. But, anyways, anyone else hearing this? Today is April 23rd. It is, well, let me look behind me here. Um, a quarter to 7 p.m. in Dalton, Georgia. I don't know if I can get the clock or not because it's dark in here, but yeah. Anyways, weird. Thanks. Bye.